Oh my god. Do you guys hear that? Shh, everybody quiet.
Stop it. No one could be out there. It's just a window. I don't see anyone. It looks like it's like training. Ready?
Bro, I am so freaked out right now.
Scared.
Okay, I see a car.
Oh my goodness, that gave me almost a heart attack. Who could have done that?
I don't know. Oh my god. Guys, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more weird stuff. If you catch any weird stuff. Oh my god. This is so scary.
I should have never watched those scary videos.
Oh my
man.
god.
That's so scary.
Do you guys hear that?
Absolutely nothing out there. There's absolutely nothing. It's so scary.
Guys, it's coming from the wall.
It's coming from like the window. It's coming from that area, and nothing. It's pitch air out there. Pitch air.
Don't watch out there ever again.
I was just watching scary videos. That was very interesting.
Yeah, guys, we were just watching scary videos and this happened.
Right.
So subscribe to this like.
Slap the like button.
Yeah.
For our survival, guys.
Yeah.
For our survival.
Screw that. This is common footage. This is so scary. I mean, it's not that scary, but I never knew this.
Okay, I think it stopped.
We thought that last time when we opened the window. I mean, the shaders.
Oh,
It's fireworks.
oh man, we got scared.
But why?
It sounds like it's knocking on the window.
It sounded so
Like-
close. It sounded so close. How could it be fireworks? Well, tell us what you guys think.
Grandma, it sounds like they're knocking on the window.
It sounds like it's not down here. It's fireworks.
This is the guy. I like my beer cold, my wings hot. Fireworks on the 4th of July.
Subscribe to me as channel. Oh no.
I see you.
Alright.
Oh, that was scary.
False alarm, guys. I am so sorry.
I'm posting this on YouTube. Do that.
Subscribe if you're new so you can join the wolf pack. The wolf pack is
swear.
awesome.
It sounded so close.
She's part of the wolf pack.
See, we were watching scary videos. See it? It says 5 scary things caught on camera by Dash Cam. I'm still watching more. It's right there. Like posting this. Well, this is scary. I never had something this happen to me. Like, I usually just watch videos about it. So
Yeah, how did you feel about this?
my heart was pounding.
Same
Like-
here.
Like, I just paused the video really quick. Like, am I hallucinating?
We need to check one more time. Okay, now I know for sure it's fireworks. Alright, guys. See you guys later.